How to adjust volume of music in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and locate the music clip on your audio track in the timeline. Next, right-click on the music clip and select Insert an effect from the menu. Then, choose Volume from the audio effect list. This will open the volume panel on the right side of your screen, next to the timeline. In this panel, you will see options like Gain Slider, Keyframes, and the Curve Editor. Drag the gain slider left to reduce the volume or right to increase it, adjusting it to the level you need. For more detailed control, you can use keyframes to change the volume at different points in the clip. This is especially useful if you want to smoothly fade the music in or out or adjust volume during voiceovers. Once you are happy with the changes, play back your video to ensure the music balances well with any dialogues or sound effects. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust the volume of music in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.